Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how you can use WhatsApp without a phone number. So let's get started. In the first method, instead of using your phone number, use your landline number to sign up on WhatsApp. Let us see how you can do this. Head to WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. Enter your landline number. You have to deny this permission and make sure to enter your landline number only. Okay. Wait for the call me feature to get enabled. Once the call me feature gets enabled, click on it and you will receive a call from WhatsApp. That call will provide you a 6-digit code number. Enter that code here. You'll start using your WhatsApp without your phone number or any SIM card. So this was the first method. If you don't want to use your landline number or even phone number, then what you can do is close this thing and head to Google Play Store. Here you have to type Text Now app. Text Now app is not available in India, so you need to go for some other app. My bad, it is Text Me. So click on this Text Me option. Click on install here. Wait for the app to get installed in your phone. There are a lot of third-party apps that can provide you a second number, but these apps are paid, and it is also possible that WhatsApp may or may not allow these kind of number. These things have to be checked before installing any third-party app. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.